Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. Today's hair sponsor is Isee hair. I have installed a 22-inch Malaysian deep curly 13x4 frontal wig in 180% density. This wig is part of the Princess collection. It is also an HD lace. Ooh, this wig is so beautiful already, you guys. Can you see her? Oh my goodness. So I did bleach the knots on this unit, and this is what she's looking like. Hard to see that lace. It's good lace. So I did use some rubbing alcohol just to clean up the hairline just a little bit to remove any foundation that I have. Just for those of you who don't know, like, I'm gonna go in with some Ebin spray. This wig is actually going on really well, very easily. I'm loving that. There's not a big mess. The lace is very thin, so I'm noticing that it's melting very easily. It's just a beautiful lace. It's a beautiful wig. It's making my job super easy, as you guys can see. So the only reason I'm putting this is because I did bleach the knots on this unit, and the knots got really light, and also like it just looks really light on the lace. Not light, but like the knots on the lace. So I'm just kind of trying to hide that. But the lace itself, you guys, is flawless. Like I might just not do any baby hairs for this look. Just some sideburns. Ow. Ow. Oh my god, you guys. I just burnt myself 3 times. And I still didn't even curl the wig, curl the hairs. Can we get a 4th? So scared now to even curl the hair because I'm scared of getting burnt again. This one might not be as nice, but I'm a little traumatized, okay guys? You would be too. Oh, those don't look the same at all. I don't know, I'm getting the vibe that I don't even want to put a part in this wig. Maybe just the slightest amount of baby hairs right here. I think I just want to wear this wig like this. Are we here for it? I think we are. We are gonna define the curls a bit, but I really like this look. Like, it's just looking like natural girl. Ooh, this is so cute, you guys. You guys, I really don't want to mess with this curl pattern too much because I personally think it looks beautiful this way, but I don't know what you guys think. I will try to define the curls a bit, but for the most part, like when it dries, I want it to be looking like that. Get what I'm saying? Like, I want it to look like this, so I really don't want to mess with it too much. I'm just going for a very natural look. Like, I'm not even going to use a hot comb on it. I'm going to go in with my favorite product. This is the Shea Moisture Smoothie Black Castor Oil, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It used to look yellow, now it looks white, but it still smells just as lovely. Oh, I'm gonna take off this fake ring before I mess it up. So when this wig dries, we're gonna go put it back to what it looked like, but we just wanted the curls to be a little bit more defined. It's not always about what I want. I have to make the wig look its best because that's my job. I didn't really want to have a part showing, but now the part is showing. I don't want the part. I just want it like hair, you know? Should we see what it looks like with a part? Do we want the part or not, you guys? I wish you guys could talk to me right now as I'm filming this. Part or no part? I don't want the part. I'm not going for the part. Just going for a natural tossed over look, okay? This wig does come pre-plucked and it actually is beautiful. I didn't pluck anything on this unit and this is really up close, you guys. As you can see, it is a very natural hairline. When I saw the beautiful curl pattern and how full this wig was and how clear the HD lace is, I was just blown away. Only thing that I did to this unit was bleach the knots. And I think just for the sake of this video, I am going to show you guys what it looks like parted down the middle. Okay. As you can see how beautiful it is, it looks beautiful. Whatever way you wear it, you can wear it parted down the middle like this. And that's with like nothing, like no work. I didn't put a hot comb on her, and the curls are just so beautiful, you guys. I am showing you guys, you know, some options, different ways that you could wear this unit. This is her parted down the middle, super cute. As you guys can see, this side has a lot of volume, this side is more tamed down. This is what you can look forward to when the wig is dried. If you comb through her, this is what it would look like, more defined. Really beautiful. I love them both. Like, it really does look very versatile. Like, you can do a lot of different styles. This is her parted down the middle. I love every single style that I did so far, so I really couldn't pick which one was my favorite. If you guys are wondering if this wig was Kaviar Kez approved, it most definitely is. I definitely recommend it. From the HD lace to the pre-plucked hairline to the density to the curl pattern to the softness of the curl, just a 10 out of 10 for me. It's a no-brainer. It's beautiful. You guys need this in your collection for sure. If you are a fan of curly wigs, you're gonna definitely want this unit in your collection. Just beautiful. Let me know what you guys think of this unit and this install, the different styles, which one was your favorite. Let me know that in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me or you just want to leave a comment, leave it below. If I have a coupon code for this unit, I'm gonna leave that in the description box below. You should always check the description box because there's always little things, little gems about the wig or where you can find it, or maybe some other stuff going on in there that you might want to know. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.